One whole foot, rough from heel to toe. Here is how it comes off, and why the skin does this in the first place. This is not one patch. It is the whole sole. Every part of the foot that carries weight builds up the same dry, thickened layer over time. Underneath, the whole surface is doing the same thing. Old skin cells that should shed keep stacking instead, drying into one continuous layer. That is what the scraper takes off, top to bottom. One stroke thins it. It does not clear it. The arch through to the ball carries just as much. Different foot, same buildup. This time the whole sole in one pass.